Esha Organic Products Reviews. Now open it. Hair Oil Biotin Shampoo, Hand and Foot Scrub. Shampoo and oil. I am using this for the third time. Hair becomes very silky and soft after washing. I am using this for the first time. Let's see, try it. Texture are very creamy. And fragrance are very amazing. Scrub 5 to 10 minutes. Hands are soft and smooth after scrubbing. Thank you so much. Very amazing products.